Hi everyone, I'm excited to share some amazing news with you. We've gathered all n8n automations in one place. What do I mean when I say all of them? It means there are more than 3,000 here. Not just 3,000 templates, but 3,000 templates sorted by categories, keywords, difficulty levels, popularity, and so on. So, just for sales automation alone, there are 364 templates. What does that mean? What does that mean? You'll be able to, with the help of sell, collect phone numbers using Google Maps, make cold calls, and so on, and so on. There are so many options here, and all kinds of possibilities. Sending cold emails. All of this can be done with n8n. You can choose whatever is convenient for you. Or, for example, maybe that's not enough for you. Let's say you want to sell something using WhatsApp. Well, then let's just type in WhatsApp. Let's type it in. We type WhatsApp. And now we have cold outreach via WhatsApp right in front of us. We can send messages using WhatsApp. Alright, let's say all of this is for business. You want something for marketing, right? To create something. Well, let's try searching, for example, for a service like Google Bio 3. If you know about it, it's a very modern technology. It only appeared in June. You can create images using Google Bio 3, and they're high quality. And here in front of us, we have 5 automations, and I'll even tell you more. They all have different prices inside. If you take a look, there are some that are much cheaper and can make your videos in Google Bio 3. Overall, it's amazing. If you have no idea what you want to automate, you just go to the popular section and see what other people are doing and putting together. Here you can see which parsers are the most popular, or data collectors, and so on. So now we can confidently say that if you want to sell agents and you have clients, you just enter a keyword or a category here, maybe the area they're working in. But they're involved in, right? Or something else, like finance, and so on. So you just pick from the automations that are already available and ready to use. And when I say we've put together each automation, it doesn't mean we just copied a template. We've taken them apart down to the bones. That means we've written a description and created a complete guide on how to implement it. That is, with step-by-step blocks, showing what comes after what, where each sequence is triggered, and so on. You can just take it and use it. And again, if something doesn't work out for you, you can always reach out to our community. We'll help you. But what we've managed to achieve already really excites me personally, because it involves different levels of complexity and a huge amount of work that you've done. And I also wanted to add that this is an updatable, constantly updated service. For example, what I showed you, Google Bio 3, only appeared last month, and it's already been added here. And we will also continue to automatically, add whatever new things appear. AAA. And it seems very convenient. Here's how to access this resource. Visit my platform on. This link will be in the description. Register there, and you will have 7 days absolutely free. You will be able to take any templates, download them, view them, and so on. If you need our help, we will be very happy to assist you, because some automations are quite complex. We will help you implement them. We will go over how to set them up, and so on. If you find you don't need our help and figure everything out on your own, then you risk nothing. In any case, you have 7 free days.